What if I told you, your walkie-talkies might be useless when you need them most? We tested 18 top models across mountains, cities, and dense forests, measuring range, clarity, and battery life, and the results will shock outdoor enthusiasts. One popular pair dropped signal after just 1 mile, while our number 3 delivered crystal clear audio over 10+ miles. If you want reliable communication when it matters, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Retevis RT22 Walkie Talkies. The Retevis RT22 Walkie Talkies are a great choice for business use. These two-way radios are extremely compact and slim, featuring 16 channels and rich features. It has a 0 to 9 level voice-activated transmit function for hands-free operation, and an emergency alarm to help you be prepared for any danger. It also comes with a 6-way multi-gang charger with multiple charging protections. Customers have praised its battery life, sound quality, and convenience. Number 2. pxton Walkie Talkies. The pxton Walkie Talkies Long Range for Adults is a 16-channel two-way radio with a range of up to 3 miles in open areas. It comes with a rechargeable Li-ion battery, charger, belt clip, hand strap, and earpieces. It features Vox voice control, scanning, low battery alarm, and night flashlight. Customers report that the battery life is great and the range is good. They are perfect for outdoor activities, such as mountain climbing, and for elderly relatives who need to call for assistance. Number 3. Retevis RT68 Walkie Talkies. The Retevis RT68 Walkie Talkies are a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient two-way radio. These radios come with a 6-way multi-unit charger station, allowing you to charge up to 6 radios or batteries at once. They also feature an ear-hook earpiece for a secure and comfortable fit, and are made of durable materials that can withstand shock and vibration in harsh environments. With a long range and crystal clear sound, these radios are perfect for use in restaurants, warehouses, and other corporate settings. Number 4. Retevis RT22 Walkie Talkies Rechargeable. The Retevis RT22 Walkie Talkies Rechargeable are a great choice for those looking for a reliable two-way radio. The pocket-sized radios are slim and lightweight, making them easy to carry all day. They feature a range of features, including Vox hands-free, emergency alarm, up/down channels changes button, scan, squelch, and more. The radios are rechargeable and can last up to 24 hours on a single charge. They come with belt clips for easy installation and removal, and are ready to use straight out of the box. Customers have praised the radios for their good sound quality, ease of use, and small size. Number 5. Retevis RT22 Mini Walkie Talkies. The Retevis RT22 Walkie Talkies are designed for seamless communication in various settings, making them ideal for your business or school. Their compact size ensures you can easily carry them around, allowing for efficient communication on the go. With the Vox feature, these radios enable hands-free operation, so you can transmit messages without pressing any buttons, enhancing convenience during busy moments. The built-in microphone delivers clear audio, ensuring you can hear and be heard easily. Plus, the 9 Vox sensitivity levels automatically filter out weak signals and background noise, providing a clearer communication experience. So, which walkie-talkie will you trust on your next adventure? Signal your pick in the comments. If this life-saving review upgraded your gear, transmit that like button, it helps us test more. Want more outdoor tech truths? Subscribe. Next week we're testing GPS trackers. All our top picks are linked below. Stay connected.